We begin this midday with a significant update on those 4 of the 5 former MPD officers charged in the death of Tyre Nichols. A Shelby County judge just set the trial date. The officers, Justin Smith, Emmett Martin III, Demetrius Haley, and Tadarius Bean, previously pleaded not guilty to both state and federal charges. But now the question is, what will they do next? Since the 5th officer, Desmond Mills Jr., pleaded guilty just last week to 2 of the 4 federal charges. Our Stephen Reels is live at 201 Poplar. Stephen was in that courtroom just 2 hours ago. Stephen, what's the update on this process?
Lakita, those 4 attorneys representing the ex-MPD officers all agreed on the trial dates for those state charges set to begin next summer. Meanwhile, those federal trials for those former officers is set to begin in May. So really, these final stages for the legal process and the fate of these former officers are finally starting to take some shape right now. Those former officers, Justin Smith, Emmett Martin III, Demetrius Haley, and Tadarius Bean's appearance a few hours ago only really lasted a few minutes. But in that short time, Shelby County Judge James Jones set several significant dates in the ex-officer's planned trial on state charges. All 4 face several charges, including second-degree murder and aggravated kidnapping. The discovery process will wrap up next month on December 4th. Parties will have then 2 months to file a motion and will have until June 14th to have a hearing around those motions. And if everything goes as planned, the trial is officially set to start August 12th next year.
We're of the mind that this does not need to be a month-long trial, that we believe, as we said at prior motions, that the proof is pretty simple. We saw it, and you saw it for yourselves.
We're looking very hard at whether or not a change of venue is going to be necessary. We don't want it to be, but it may.
And Lakita, while Emmett Martin's lawyer, William Massey, did say that these trial dates are realistic, he still plans on filing several motions by the February deadline, which could include a request to bring a Nashville area jury in for the case. Live at 201 Poplar, I'm Stephen Reels.
Thank you, Stephen. Well, we want to take a moment to remember Tyre Nichols. He died on January 10th, just 3 days after video showed him brutally beaten and tased after a traffic stop with Memphis Police on Ross and Rains Road. Family says Tyre Nichols loved skateboarding and taking photos of the sunset at Shelby Farms. Nichols was 29 years old.